everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something special, an unboxing and setup of the Qnap ts832 PXU RP NAS. This powerful 8-bay, 1U rack mount unit is perfect for anyone looking to boost their storage and performance needs. Whether you're running a small business or managing your personal data, this unit has everything you need. Let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is very sleek and well protected. The Qnap ts832 PXU RP is nestled safely inside, wrapped in protective foam. Along with the NAS unit, we also get the power cables, a quick start guide, and a couple of accessories for installation. The ts832 PXU RP itself. The build quality is solid, and it's designed to fit perfectly into any standard 19-inch rack. On the front, we've got 8 drive bays, which are hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace hard drives without shutting down the unit. There's also a nice LCD screen to give you real-time system information, and a set of status LEDs to keep you informed about the health of your drives. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video so far. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech reviews and guides. Trust me, you won't want to miss the rest of this unboxing and the installation walkthrough. Now, let's get into one of the coolest upgrades we're doing today, increasing the RAM from 4GB to 16GB. This NAS comes with 4GB of DDR4 memory, but for those of us running more demanding applications or handling large amounts of data, upgrading to 16GB will help boost performance significantly. Here's how we do it. First, we power down the unit and remove the covers to access the internal components. You'll see the RAM slots located here. The upgrade is simple, just gently release the clips on the sides of the current RAM stick and pull it out. Then, take the new 16GB stick, align it properly with the slot, and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Once that's done, we replace the covers, power the unit back up, and we're ready to go. The system should automatically recognize the new RAM during boot up, which means faster load times and more efficient multitasking. Next up, let's install the NAS into a rack using these handy rail kits. Installing server rails can be a bit tricky if you've never done it before, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, attach the rail brackets to the sides of the NAS. These brackets are adjustable, so they'll fit different rack widths. Once they're secured, we move to the rack itself. Now, slide the rail into the rack, making sure it's level and secure. You'll want to make sure the NAS slides in smoothly and clicks into place. The rails will lock in, and your NAS is now safely mounted in the server rack. And just like that, the Qnap ts832 PXU RP is ready for action. With the RAM upgrade and the server rails installed, we're all set for optimal performance. That's it for today's unboxing and upgrade guide. The Qnap ts832 PXU RP is an incredible piece of hardware that will surely serve you well in any professional setup. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tech unboxings and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.